ดีค่ะ Welcome back to EP2 so have you seen EP1 right so now we are in the luxury condo in Phuket Thailand so and this EP2 I would like to show you the amazing penthouse condo so this condo have two story right so and with the on the first floor have a living room and European built-in kitchen and also have one bedroom but now I am on the second floor from the condo so with the here the master bedroom with ensuite bathroom so this is I really love it so you know because I like so when the master bedroom have the amazing view right when you are sleeping you would like to see the view right so and this condo so is on the second floor so have the it's not only have the amazing sea view and mountain view but you also have the pool view also okay now let me tell you more detail about this condo more so this condo have 2 bedroom and 3 bathroom and the total living area is 202 square meter right and the asking price for this unit is 21.8 million baht okay exciting right follow me please so first I will start to show you from this second floor the master bedroom and then we will go down together so on the first floor and to see the living room kitchen and also another bedroom right so you have the sliding door here in the so you can open and go to the balcony right here there are small balcony and with super view pool view and also ocean view okay let's come inside and continue to see the whole unit follow me please and then this is the bed so full size of bedroom king bed and this side can be will be television for you right so and also here the built-in closet so very nice and very luxury so you have enough of space to put your clothes and everything here one for the man one for the woman for example and here welcome to the ensuite bathroom what I really love it so here with the bathtub the bathtub here so it's good size of bathroom so very large and very luxury so the toilet is here and the shower it's very large shower and you have the mirror also in the shower so it's very unusual right never see it but nice right you want to see yourself after you take a shower okay now and this you can put like some shampoo soap and so on here good idea okay now let's go down to the first floor right because now we are in the second floor let's go so and this room between is the laundry room you have washing machine there it's quite good because each condo needs a washing machine right you need to laundry so and okay we go downstairs so you have the lighting also on the here on the stair and all wood is from engineer wood it's good quality right so here let me show you so this is the entrance from this condo so and look at the number 888 so it's lucky number especially Chinese people they love this number I love it also okay now let me tell you about the layout from this so living room kitchen so and this control room and this is the bedroom and one bathroom let's go out here first so I have to tell you right this condo is about 90% finished right but just like some small thing that have to be done right so again you have the sliding door so and the sliding door you can open the horn and then go out here so let me try so this side also open come here So and you have the outside terrace, and as I was mentioned, right, this unit is special because it's pool access. You can walk by this to the pool. The pool is just there, only 5 meter walk there. So and in this first floor, you still have the amazing sea view and pool view. It's good idea. You can make like the barbecue plate and so on. I can imagine how it's nice is this. So I love this floor plan actually. For the floor plan from this condo, I will put it for you. Okay, after this video. Okay, let's come to have a look inside together. So now this living room and the couch, right? In this gonna be a dining table here, and okay, again the high-end kitchen, European built-in kitchen. So you have everything in the kitchen. Also here again the built-in refrigerator. So amazing, like it. So and induction here from cement, oven, and also the dishwasher. Try to find the dishwasher. This one also from cement, so good quality. And so again you have the coffee machine. I need to say this is high-end kitchen because so coffee machine and also the wine cooler including here also. This nice. So this microwave, very good because kitchen is very important, right? So the most of people would like to have the best and the top quality kitchen, right? We like to eat and we like to cook also. And now let's continue, right? And this one, the bathroom for guests here. Bathroom for guests, a small bathroom, and again the stair to this one stair that go up to the master bedroom. That we start from the master bedroom. Remember, right? I walk down here. Control room. And okay, let's have a look this bedroom. So this one second master bedroom, so very good size of bedroom. The bed will be here, right? And this the ensuite bathroom, good size of bathroom. So and you have a shower separate with toilet, right? Good size of shower. Toilet is here. Toilet is there. And here the built-in closet. This one. So very good. Okay, now let's go out with me and so here let's go out and then we're going to talk about the price and so on. Hold on. So this is another closet. I think the cover will coming, right? So that's why I'm wondering that is not enough. So you have this side also for the closet. Okay, now you have enough of space to put your clothes here. And so I have to mention, right? All aircon is here. Deducted air, a built-in aircon. So all room, so all bedroom, living room, and so on. That I was mentioned to you, right, that this condo also have pool access. Okay, let's walk to the pool together. I would like to show you the swimming pool. So now we are in the communal pool from this complex. So it's good size of swimming pool. So and have the jacuzzi pool over there also and kid pool here. And this swimming pool also have amazing view. So garden view and also have the sea view as well. So and I also have another unit that available for sale that also have a pool access. I will put the detail for you after this and show exactly where is it and how much is that unit. Okay? Please follow me to watch EP3. So EP3 I will show you here the top unit. So on the third floor penthouse unit. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please hit the bottom like and subscribe my YouTube channel, okay? And again, everyone, please stay safe and take care. So I'm looking forward to see you soon. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ